Just a quick video and maybe a quick question. Did a couple of these last night, 2 of them. I left it on for 12 hours, put it on at 10 o'clock last night, left it on until 10 o'clock this morning. Paint remover and the chemical stuff, the heavy duty stuff, which I can only use outside. As you can see, the 2013 casting, the Cool Combi, I mean, there's nothing left in the way of paint. Maybe a few specks there, but basically she's, you know, it's totally stripped. I didn't do the underside, but okay, here on top, it's totally stripped. The Emergency Squad from, I believe this one came out in '82, and I also did a Fire Chief from around the same era. It has this white base, and when doing a customization, I'd really like to know what that is, because it seems to really be strong stuff. I mean, this 12 hours with heavy-duty paint remover, and I didn't even get all the red off of it. My Fire Chief, it stripped pretty much the same way, basically white. I don't know what this is. The other thing is, this smells like a turpentine, or maybe the paint remover soaked in. This one just smells of steel. So, I don't know. It's some heavy-duty stuff they used in the 70s and 80s. Not sure what it is, but it makes for stripping the old ones a little harder. I'm not sure what I'll use. Maybe heavy-duty sandpaper or something. Maybe my Dremel can do something, I don't know. But anyway, just a short look on, they obviously changed their way of painting things, and not for the better if you want your paint to stick on your car. Anyway, just a quick video at the look of 2013 paint and the stuff from the late 70s, early 80s.